team?
Excited.
Excited? How are you? How are you? How are you? Okay, ah.
Solid.
Solid. Solid. Oh, okay.
I feel so exuberant.
You don't act like that.
Hari Raya bersamaan dengan Natsumatsuri
Okay, Natsumatsuri is in the area.
My wife is in my bag.
Hey, my wife.
Yes,
See how the tickets look like. This is it. Summer Festival game ticket, $2 each, and Miss cider, but you don't win that. Okay, good. Yes. All right. So what are we going to do? Going to play the Yo-Yo Suri game. So how?
Besok soran-soran. Imasugu asabita yo. Itsuka Natsumatsuri. Arimasu.
So how confident are you in winning?
No, I'm asking. When is Natsumatsuri every year?
It's when? I do not know.
Well, Augusto. How many yo-yo balloon can you win?
How many?
Tell me.
So what do you think? How many? Okay, how about this? You can get 9 balloons. I will give you something.
That is a challenge, bro.
Alright. 13 balloons. 13 balloons? 9. I see 9. Okay, we shall see how many balloons you can get at this place. The Yo-Yo Suri game. So explain to us how's the game will... How do you play? Come.
Mak, main tolak-tolak.
Okay, one.
Good job.
Okay, you got one.
Hi. Next one.
Next one.
Okay. Yes. Hai, Sugi wa dochira?
You see Mr. Max trying to get the water balloon.
Alamak, kau ni confirm putus yun.
But actually he won 2. So it's okay. He won 2. It's alright. Yo, Dale. How is it? Natsumatsuri? How do you feel?
Good. This year also good.
Good. Hey, Domba. How?
Because the day also get weekend, my brother.
Hey, hey.
Cannot.
Hey, how is it? Natsumatsuri? How? Okay. I don't know you, man. Go away.
You don't know me?
Gao. What Gao? Say all 3 of my members are here, but this guy I don't know why he's on the handphone. Hey, come on lah, enjoy the situation lah. Message you,
Keep messaging.
1, 2, 3. Boom!
Next one is
Hey!